Okay, second example. Solve this polynomial highest degree of 3 equal to 0 if 2 plus I is one of the zeros of the polynomial. Okay. So given to you one of the zeros, so automatic applying the conjugate theorem just now, the conjugate is also the zero. So what is the conjugate? 2 minus I, also the 0. Okay. So what to do with these two zeros? So you have to put in the factored form first. So let's say this is fx. Put in the two factored form. So the first factored form will be x minus the first 0, which is 2 plus I. Okay, put in the bracket. And then the second factored form is x minus the second zeros, which is 2 minus I. Okay, that's how you put in the factored form for the complex zeros. Okay, this is to reduce your callus. And then you have x minus 2. This one also x minus 2. So you can keep this in one bracket form. So you have x minus 2. If you open up the bracket, negative minus plus I is minus I. Minus I. And then this one, x minus 2. Open up the bracket, negative, negative become positive plus I. Okay. So let's say this is your A. And then this is your B. So you are using the same formula just now, which is A minus B. A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay. So your A right now is x minus 2. So you are having x minus 2 square minus your B is I. Minus of I squared. Okay. So again, this is your A and then this is your B value. So just expand. X minus 2 squared is x squared minus 4x plus 4. Minus I squared is always negative 1. Simplify further. You have x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay. Once you get the quadratic, let's say we rewrite back the polynomial just now. Your question just now is 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 11x plus 5. And then you are having one quadratic function, which is x squared minus 4x plus 5. So you need one more factored form here. If you multiply these two factored form, you will get the question back. X squared multiplied with what number? You get 3x cubed. Okay. So how to find the unknown here? You just divide the polynomial with the quadratic. X squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay. So use the method of long division because this is quadratic. If linear, you can use synthetic division. Okay. So just use the long division method. You have 3x cubed minus 11x squared plus 11x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 5. Okay. So what is the number? If you multiply with x squared, you get 3x cubed. So you have 3x. So put it here. 3x times x squared is 3x cubed. 3x multiply with negative 4x, you have negative 12x squared. 3x multiply with 5, you have 15x. And then minus 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, 0. And then negative 11x squared minus negative 12. You have negative 4x squared. 11x minus 15. Sorry, this one. 11, sorry negative 11x squared minus negative 12 is x squared only. This is x squared. 11x minus 15 is negative 4x. And then you just bring down this constant plus 5. Okay. Again, repeat. What expression multiply with x squared, you get x squared. So your answer will be 1. So you have plus 1. 1 times x squared. 1 times negative 4. Negative 4x. This is plus 5. Minus, you have 0. So make sure the last number is 0. So how to write your last answer? Px is equal to the quotient times divisor plus remainder. But the remainder is 0. So what is your quotient? 3x plus 1. Divisor just now is x squared. Minus 4x and plus 5. Okay. That is the complete factored form. If the question asks for the zeros, how to find the zeros? The zeros here is 3x plus 1 equal to 0. X will be negative 1 over by 3. This one, the zeros just now is from the question, which is 2 plus I and 2 minus I. So that is your zeros. If the question asks the zeros, just state the zeros of Px will be equivalent to negative 1 over 3, 2 plus I and 2 minus I. That is your last answer. Make sure total number of zeros is tally with the highest degree of the given polynomial. Alright. You can try question number 20 from workbook for your exercise.